Hi guys, today we'll be talking about Trident Group, which is a textile industry. We'll be discussing upon the different areas of operation for this particular industry, what are the competitive advantages of this, and discuss on some of the performance metrics in 2021 and with some major clients which Trident Group holds. So first looking at the areas of operation for Trident. They started in 1989 and 1990 with a single unit producing high quality yarn. So yarn is something which they produce, which goes as a raw material for for other companies to create their or to manufacture their products on. They also consume their yarn produce for their bathing and their bedding linen products. Now they have become the highest manufacturer of terry towels, which comes under the bathing linen product set. And the other areas of operation other than the textile includes paper, chemical, and energy sectors. Now this company started and majorly works as a B2B company, which means they create some product which gets consumed by other industries as a raw material, right? But they also started their e-commerce website in the recent October 2021, which brings them into the direct to customer or a B2C segment as well. Talking about the manufacturing units of this company, so there are three manufacturing plants in India. One is located in Madhya Pradesh, whereas two are situated in Punjab. The company headquarters is in Ludhiana, again in Punjab, and abroad offices are located in New York and England as well. So this was about the areas of operation for this company. Coming to the competitive advantages for Trident, uh, they use state-of-the-art technology, high-quality equipments to manufacture their products, which is one key advantage which they have. They produce high-quality products. They have deep-rooted client relationships, which makes it harder for any competition to take away their client base. Their way of working includes a sustainable procedure, which means they also care about the environment while producing any products. So everything related to recycling, right, or reusing the products or the waste materials, right, comes under the sustainable way of working. The company is innovation driven. So there is a good example for Trident is to they have implemented the blockchain in their product, so anyone who buys a product can trace it back to the yarn or a farm which the raw material has been acquired from. So the company is highly innovation driven. Coming to the performance metrics for this company, so in 2021 alone, the company has generated an overall revenue of 4.5 thousand crores and with a gross profit of 304 crores. Company has more than 16,000 employees worldwide, and 35% of the total yarn produce is consumed by their own bathe and bed lining segment, right? Whereas the rest 65% is sold out to the other domestic and international markets. Talking about the geographical distribution of their total revenue, so 68% comes from exporting the yarn or the products, right? Whereas 32% comes from consumption in the domestic markets within India. Talking about the distribution between their textile versus other areas of operation, so 84% of the revenue is coming from textiles, whereas 16% is coming from other areas of operation like paper and chemical, but major chunk is from the textile. Talking about the client base, you can see major retailers here like Amazon, we have Walmart, Sam's Club as well here, Target is there, right? So it contains the manufacturers as well as Fortune 500 retailers as well. So that's about Trident Group. Leave in comment um, if you feel we missed out on something, and talk to you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.